Imagine landing after a long flight, exhausted but excited, only to discover your checked luggage is missing. It's a travel nightmare that happens more often than you'd think. But here's the good news. With a few smart precautions, you can make sure your suitcase arrives safely, intact, and on time every single trip. In today's video, we're diving into your checked luggage will be safe with these tips, a complete guide packed with real, actionable advice to protect your belongings wherever you fly. Before we jump in, if you love smart travel tips that save you stress, time, and money, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a travel hack that could save your trip. Let's get started. 1. Choose the right bag. Let's start with your luggage itself. Not all bags are created equal. Hard shell versus soft shell. Hard shell suitcases provide better protection for fragile items, and they're more difficult for thieves to slice open. But soft shell bags usually have exterior pockets and are more flexible for squeezing into tight spaces. Wheels and zippers. Choose a suitcase with 4 spinner wheels for easy mobility and fewer breakdowns. IKK zippers are generally considered the gold standard in durability. Avoid bags with exposed zippers and external straps. They're more likely to get caught in conveyor belts. Bright colors or unique tags. That black suitcase. Everyone has one. Pick a bold color or add a bright tag or ribbon. This helps reduce the chance of someone else mistakenly walking off with your bag. 2. Use a TSA-approved lock. Security is important, but so is compliance. TSA-approved locks allow security officers to open and inspect your luggage without damaging the lock. If you use a non-approved lock, they may break it. And remember, while locks deter casual theft, they're not foolproof. Think of them as a keep-out sign, not a bank vault. 3. Never check valuables. Some things should always fly with you, not under the plane. This includes laptops and tablets, cameras and lenses, jewelry, medications, important documents, passports, contracts, etc. If it would ruin your trip to lose it, carry it on. Even airlines tell you, valuables in checked luggage are a bad idea. 4. Make your bag traceable. Here's where tech helps out. Luggage tags with your name, email, and phone number are essential, but leave off your home address for security. Go one step further with AirTags, Apple, Tile, or Samsung smart tags. These Bluetooth trackers help you keep tabs on your luggage's location, even before the airline does. Real talk. Some travelers have located their bags in different cities before the airline had a clue. 5. Photograph the contents. This tip is underrated. Before you close your bag, take a quick photo or video of everything inside. If your luggage is lost, this will make filing a claim faster and more effective. Plus, it helps you remember what you packed, especially useful if you're filing insurance or airline reimbursement requests. 6. Use a packing strategy. The way you pack can make a difference in damage and security. Layer essentials at the top. If TSA opens your bag, they're more likely to dig through the top. Wrap fragile items in clothes. It acts as natural padding. Use compression cubes. They keep things organized, compact, and easy to repack if inspected. Bonus tip. Put a printed itinerary or hotel confirmation inside the bag in case the outside tag is lost. 7. Choose direct flights when possible. This one's simple math. The more connections your flight has, the higher the chance your luggage doesn't make it with you. Direct flights reduce the number of hands your bag passes through, and fewer hands mean fewer chances for mistakes. If you do have a layover, make sure it's long enough. A 40-minute connection is risky for your luggage, even if you sprint to your gate. 8. Check in early. Here's a golden rule. Late check-in equals higher risk of luggage not making the flight. Airlines process thousands of bags. Last-minute bags are sometimes rushed and might miss the conveyor sort. Get to the airport early and check in at least 90 minutes before your flight. And yes, even if you're using self-service bag drops. 9. Watch the bag tag closely. When you check your bag, make sure the destination on the tag matches your itinerary. Your name is correctly printed. You keep the baggage claim receipt. That sticker they give you is your tracking number. It's the only way to trace your bag if it goes missing. Also, avoid checking in at remote terminals if you're flying internationally. Bags may have a harder time being transferred between terminals quickly. T10. Mark it fragile, even if it's not. This one's a bit cheeky, but it works. Marking your bag as fragile may get it handled more gently, and some airlines even load these bags on top of others, making them one of the first to come out at baggage claim. It's not guaranteed, but frequent travelers swear by this simple trick. 11. Don't overpack. A bulging suitcase is a red flag. Zippers are more likely to break. The bag is harder to handle, increasing chances of being dropped. Airlines may force you to repack or pay overweight fees. Stay within weight limits. typically 23 kilograms or 50 pounds for economy class, and leave room for souvenirs or last-minute additions. Use a portable luggage scale to check at home or at your hotel before heading to the airport. 12. Consider luggage insurance. If you're traveling with expensive gear or going on a long trip, look into travel insurance that covers baggage. Some credit cards include baggage delay or loss coverage if you book your trip using that card. Double-check the benefits before buying a separate policy. Reimbursement can include essentials like clothing, toiletries, and even replacing electronics depending on the coverage. 13. Watch your bag until it's gone. Don't just drop your bag on the belt and walk away. Make sure it's scanned in and picked up by the conveyor. Occasionally, unattended bags are removed for security. Also, never leave your bag near unattended areas, especially at large airports. It can be confiscated and destroyed if seen as a threat. 14. Keep a day's worth of essentials in your carry-on. Even with all precautions, delays happen. That's why you should pack these essentials in your carry-on. 1 change of clothes, basic toiletries, any medication phone charger, swimsuit, or business attire, depending on your purpose. This way, you're not stuck without basics for 48 hours. Losing luggage doesn't have to be part of the travel experience. By taking these smart, simple steps, you can make sure your bag stays safe and your trip stays stress-free. Which of these tips do you already use? And which one are you adding to your next trip? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel wisdom every single week. Safe travels, and may your luggage always arrive on time.